Congress distances itself from Pitroda's remarks. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has said that it does not mean that Mr. Pitroda's views always reflect the position of the Indian National Congress. Many times they do not. Sensationalizing his comments now and tearing them out of context are deliberate and desperate attempts at diverting attention away from Mr. Narendra Modi's malicious and mischievous election campaign. This is, in fact, anchored only in lies and more lies. This is, of course, a statement that is coming in at this point of time. Of course, we've heard what Sam Pitroda had to say. He's saying that in order to propel redistribution in India, there should be inheritance tax that should be inculcated. And now, of course, there's a statement that's been issued by Congress leader Jairam Ramesh. They're saying that they're in fact distancing themselves from these remarks that have been made. He stated, and I quote, "This does not mean that Sam Pitroda's views always reflect the position of the Indian National Congress." Of course, they're not aligning. The Congress is not aligning with the statements that have been made by Sam Pitroda. The latest developments that are coming in at this point of time. So this, of course, big news there coming in at this point of time. We've, of course, heard the statements that Sam Pitroda had to make. He said that inheritance tax is something that should perhaps be inculcated in India in order to propel the redistribution ideology. And of course, now this statement being issued by Jairam Ramesh, he's saying that we don't align with these statements that have been made. All right, my colleague Manohar Kesari joins us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Manohar, Jairam Ramesh, they're saying that he does not, and in fact the Congress also does not align with these statements that have been made by Sam Pitroda. Give our viewers an understanding on what he has said now.
बिल्कुल सैम पित्रोदा ने जिस इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स की बात की है उस पॉलिसी चर्चा को लेकर के उन्होंने सवाल खड़े किए हैं। अब जयराम रमेश जो मीडिया प्रमुख हैं, पार्टी के महासचिव हैं, उन्होंने सीधे तौर पर किनारा किया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि पार्टी से इनका लेना देना नहीं है, उनका एक इंडिविजुअल ओपिनियन हो सकता है। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि सैम पित्रोदा के साथ कांग्रेस जो है तो खड़ी नजर नहीं आ रही है। क्योंकि चुनाव की घड़ी है तो कांग्रेस लगातार चाह रही है कि किसी भी तरह का खामियाजा न हो, क्योंकि आज सेकेंड फेज का चुनाव कैंपेन का जो आज आखिरी दिन है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में जयराम रमेश ने पार्टी के तौर पर आधिकारिक ध्यान देते हुए उन्होंने कहा है कि सैम पित्रोदा का एक इंडिविजुअल राय हो सकती है। जी।
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.